nakapirma ako before mag-start ang session. Di ba? Pumasok ako doon. Tapos ngayon, nung sinaluduhan ako ni Migs, talagang hindi ko napigilan, napaiyak ako dahil for me, being a good soldier, ang gusto kong sabihin kay Migs doon is, sorry boss, I failed to win the war for you. Because I am one of his trusted lieutenants. Ang kanyang mission sa akin is talagang i-secure yung aking partido, yung PDP na patuloy na magsuporta sa kanya. But still, as I have said, meron kaming usapan, kaming tatlo, Senator Bungo, Senator Tolentino, na majority rules. Lalabas 3 against 1, obligado sasama yung 1 doon sa decision. So, at hindi ko, yung bang, as I've said, feeling ko, being a good soldier, I would like to convey the message to him that, my commander, I'm so sorry. We lost the war. I failed to win the war for you. Ha? Yes, kaya ako napaiyak dahil nga hindi naman sasama ng loob, parang lang. Nahiya ako sa kanya dahil hindi ko napanalo yung gira para sa kanya.